AI tools can be very helpful for teachers in various ways, from enhancing classroom instruction to supporting in administrative tasks. Today we will focus on SlidesAI.io. This tool uses artificial intelligence to create slides. Teachers and students can create unlimited number of presentations. It converts text into PowerPoint presentation. This is its logo. How to use it in order to get an authentic and innovative PowerPoint presentation. When you go to Google Slides, you need to start a new deck. You press the extensions drop down, you select Ads On, and click Get Add-ons. This will trigger the Google Workspace Marketplace pop-up. Slides AI is a great product that can integrate seamlessly into Google Slides. You can save a lot of time in order to create presentation slides with AI in seconds using this tool. When you search for it, you should be getting this on your screen. Try to explore it, understand its features, and spice up your presentation as a teacher or as a trainer or as an educator.